To use the Wacom Digitizer in the walk-in studio, you first remove the tabletop of the table. Then you power on the Wacom Digitizer by pressing the power button, and eventually the Wacom Digitizer is almost ready to be used. There are two devices to operate the Wacom Digitizer, actually three. There's a mouse, there's a pen sitting on the back of the Wacom Digitizer, and finally there's the keyboard for the digitizer. So, with the pen, you can do anything you can with the mouse, but in addition, you can draw on the Wacom Digitizer. When you're using the Wacom Digitizer or the table without any tabletop, it's very nice to have this microphone activated so you don't necessarily have to wear a microphone. This is done by turning it on and off on the panel right here. So now it's off, and you see there's no indication on the audio meters. As you turn it on and make some noise, you'll see a reflection of that on the audio meters. With the mouse, it's easier to import and export documents. And here in this interface you can see all your drawings, and in the bottom of the screen you can see an import and an export function. The import function allows you to take in PowerPoint and PDF files, while the export function will allow you to export to PDF so your annotated slides can be distributed. When using the Wacom Digitizer, you can safely rest your hand on the plate because it's not sensitive to the touch of a finger. It's only the pen that will make any reaction on the Wacom Digitizer. So it's very important that you adjust the table height. So you have buttons over here. Pressing the up button will raise the table, and guess what the down button does? So you get it into a comfortable position where you can rest your hand and you can perform any handwriting teaching that you want. To get your files in and out of the Wacom Digitizer, you bring a USB key and you put it here. And then I suggest you use your mouse to go to the Documents section. And over here you can export to PDF. And then you'll see here my USB key. The most fundamental features of the Wacom Digitizer is using the pen, the eraser, the highlighter, and the laser pointer. So the pen obviously allows you to draw. The eraser allows you to erase what you drew. You can use the highlighter to highlight anything on a slide or which you have drawn. And the laser pointer is really neat to point out stuff. So if you have a slideshow and you want to point out something, you get a red transparent dot marking it up. When you're using the pen function, you can select the line thickness and a line color in the bottom of the screen to draw your lines. If the Wacom picture is not already on the screen behind you or on the signal you want to record, you need to go to the input menu of the touch panel. So you go to Input Sources, you select the Wacom Digitizer as your computer, and you can now see the Wacom Digitizer signal will be shown whenever you select computer on the panel here. It may also pop up on the screen already, but if it doesn't, you need to make sure that computer is selected as the source for the screen behind you.